I'm Dr. Clayton Greenway with healthcareforpets.com, and we're answering questions this morning that came into the website. This one is a nice, simple one. It says, my cat eats mostly wet food. He likes to have many tiny portions at every meal. Cats are interesting, right? They all have personalities. The rest I keep in the fridge. Please let me know how to warm up the food. Should I put it in the microwave? Is there a waiting period necessary after? How long? 2 minutes? Thank you for answering. So this is really simple. I mean, when you're dealing with wet food, in order to not use up the whole can, you got to put it in the fridge so that there's, it doesn't spoil. And basically, a lot of veterinarians will recommend feeding cats a combination of dry and wet. I've had cats before. I usually just stick to dry. Why? Because I don't want to deal with cans and put it in the fridge and things like that. But most vets would recommend a combination of the two. What you can do with wet food is once it's in the fridge, it's colder, it's not going to be as nice for your cat to eat, just like food for us. So I tell people to put it on a little plate, zap it in the microwave literally for a couple seconds. So maybe even 5 seconds will do it. You don't want to make it too hot, obviously, or it will irritate the mouth. But when you do that by heating it up, just like our food, it will bring out the aromas, the texture will be a lot better, and that's all you got to do. You don't have to have exactly a waiting period after. It's just a matter of it being the right temperature. And then you can feed it to your cat and it should taste a lot better. Nice, simple question. Thanks for sending it in. I really appreciate it. And keep those questions coming to healthcareforpets.com, where we're dedicated to your pet's health.